Alright, so today guys we're going to show you how we transformed this front door from this to this beautiful handcrafted, built by the Amish front door. There are a couple reasons we changed this front door. One is that it completely transformed this space as you walk in and come into the house. Two, the old door, when it got super cold out, was freezing on the inside and really needed to be replaced. So this door is completely frozen from the inside. As you can see, it frozen right there at the bottom. The hinge is completely frozen over as well. The ice here on the buildup is on the inside of the house. 3, curb appeal. A new front door can add a huge amount of value to your house when you go to sell it. Here's what the old door looked like from the outside, and here we're going to start the transformation and the demo. There are 5 steps to replacing an old door with a new door, and we're going to run you through those and show you all of the steps. Number 1 is demolition of the old one. First you got to take off the storm door, and you have to be very careful but work quickly as this guy is a professional. After the storm door is off, obviously we're going to start pulling off the trim here. And you have to be careful not to scuff any of the walls, but pull off the trim and the nails and everything so that it's a nice clean slate.
All this mess here.
The person before us did a bad job insulating the door before, so we're going to fix that. The quickest way to take off the old door is just to take it off by the hinges. Right, that's a good point. The old frame is what's going to come off next so that we can make room for our new framed door. Alright, the door's off. Now the rest of the frame and the side panel are also coming out now. Alright, now we just have an open hole in the front. You gotta fix that. There's a sneak peek of the new door. Gotta get this finished before it starts raining. Alright, we're demoing out the frame here. Get it nice and clean, finished up for the new door. We also have the new door cover because the new door has a slightly different height than the old one. Number 2, the next step. Repair and inspect. After all the demo is completed, next you want to inspect the frame and repair any areas that are rotten or need replacing. Now that we're finished with those steps, number 3, we can install the new door frame, and from there the new door.
Okay, here we go.
The new door's coming along clean. installing the door handle. Step number 4. The unique thing about the HGI Signature series is that it actually has additional security. So the steel edge door has over 10 times the strength of that wood edge door to protect against forced entry. It also has an 18 gauge steel frame, deadbolt, security plates, and tempered glass. This is a digital lock that was chosen for easy entry and access with no key needed.
Grab it. Somebody grab it.
This door is actually being installed correctly and insulated correctly for the best energy savings, especially in the winter or summertime when it's super cold or hot. For anyone that's interested, it actually has an R rating of 15.1. Alright, next up is the trim. It's going to be tacked in. The color chosen for this door is English walnut, which has a beautiful finish to it, and the door itself is made out of fiberglass. Alright, now the door is all finished and installed and looking beautiful. The next step, number 5, is installing the storm door. And for the storm door installation, the install there is actually pretty simple. So what we did is went ahead and put it in 10 times speed so you can see the process real quick without all of the details. The storm door chosen here is one of the best in the industry. It's the Larson Lakeview storm door with a retractable screen, and I'll show you that in a little bit here. It's super nice and helpful. And here we go. This is, wait for it. This is the transformation. One snap. Boom. Look at that. How beautiful. What a change. Old door versus new look. See how this transforms this space in the front from this to this beautiful option? And the door, open it is on point. It stops right before the stairs all on its own. Swing is on point. Storm door is super easy to use. You just hit that button right there. It'll lock the storm door, and then you can pull that lever and you can push down the storm door to a screen door. Super easy to use. Look at this with the screen door. Whoop. Now it's closed. So much easier than the old ones where you have to take out the screen and then replace it every single time you want it to either be a screen or a storm door. To unlock it, all you have to do is push on the handle, push the door, and it'll unlock and close for you. Super easy. And that completes the transformation of this old construction door to this beautiful handcrafted door. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe for more home tips. I'd really appreciate it, and I hope you have an awesome day.